All right, hey, welcome back to Mount Pleasant Farm. Let's go ahead and get these stairs finished. And this should just be, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 more pieces of wood we got to cut and put in place, and this run of stairs should be done. As you saw last time, we got these things built up to this point. I got that hand plane there. I kind of got some stuff fixed up in here, some little imperfections from the saw, making things more level. So I'm gonna go grab a measurement here and go cut our first board. All right, making progress here, working on our first beer. Got a couple more pieces of wood in, that tread and that riser. 3 more pieces. So we'll cut some wood. All right, 32 1/4 by 10. And I'll bet this other one will not be long enough for another one.
Those are the ones that tend to get like from California to Florida or California.
Nope, 31 1/2. Always just too little. Don't say it. All right, and this one will be 10 inches wide. Adjust our table here.
Scrap right there?
Yeah. We are getting to the finish line here. See what the nicest side of the wood is. Jump right into measuring the next tread. Last tread. I should say riser. once more. All right, last thread going down. There it is. All right, so here we go. So coming in from outside this side door of the barn. Get all the way to the top here. See, this is all finished up here. And then what I need to do is I need to take a spare piece of decking board. This is 1x10 poplar up here that I just have a little bit of this loft decked up here to hang on to some, bales of bedding and stuff. And you see the rest of the loft is just full of bullshit. Some spare boards from siding the barn and everything. This will all be decked out with probably Amish 1x10 oak. I gotta see what the prices are and all that stuff. But anyway, over to my immediate, not a problem, but what I need to do here is I need to finish up this edge here now that I've got up here with the stairs, and take a piece of this this 1x10 and cut it so it's flush right here. That'll look a lot better. And then it's just a step, but the step up is super easy. It's like nothing to it. Nothing to it at all. Piece of cake. Anyway, glad this part is done. All right, well, that's it. That was kind of a quick one. I think we're gonna go grab something to eat. Got that finished up here, and that's one less thing I need to do before our big summer party, which is on the 1st of August. Today's the 22nd of July. Lots of other crap to do. I'll take you along with me on some of it. I'm not going to bother showing you that putting a little trim board in there. I can snap a pic of it sometime and put it on the post board or something like that. But anyway, as always, I appreciate you all following along with these projects around here, and liking the channel and subscribing and all that. And share it with your friends if you can. If you think they'd like something, I'll have a subscribe button up here or over here, wherever it pops up, and some links to some other videos, and maybe the barn playlist. I usually put on these barn videos, I put a link to the barn playlist up here. This is episode 31. So anyway, as always, thanks for watching, and of course, keep getting after it.